Hey everyone, welcome back to Fats Cooking and Barbecue. Today we're going to be making some bacon, but not just regular bacon from pork belly. We're going to be making it from the pork butt, which is going to be pretty much smoky, porky, fatty, fantastic. So what I got here already mixed up is we have 3 tablespoons of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of curing salt, which is going to give it that nice red color and also keep it safe, being that we're going to be smoking at a low temperature. We also have 3/4 cups of brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of black peppercorns. In this bowl here, I have 5 cups of water. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put this mixture in here. I'm going to mix it up really well. This right here is a 3-pound pork butt I picked up. It's a boneless one that I just got from the local supermarket, and this is going to be our bacon. So I'm going to finish mixing this really well. Make it look good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put this pork butt into this bag here, a Ziploc bag. And then we're going to pour our solution over it. See if I can do this without making a mess. Alright. And then what we're going to do is we're going to seal this thing up tight. I'm going to get all the water, pretty much most of the air out as possible without getting the liquid out. And then what I'm going to do is put this in the fridge for 7 days. Every day I'm going to give this guy a little massage and flip it. This way we'll get nice penetration from all the spices and especially the curing salt. So that's it. See you guys in 7 days. Alright, so we're back 7 days later. This has been in the refrigerator and it's curing brine for 7 days. You can tell it's good to go. It's nice and firm. So after a little research, here I was thinking I made some brand new awesome idea, but I guess it's been done. It's called buckboard bacon. Anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a couple of these guys, and I'm going to hang it in the smoker, and we're going to smoke this thing at 200 degrees for about 4 hours or so. It'll be in there. And if you notice, look at all this good fat in here. This is going to be amazing bacon. So we'll check back with you guys in a few hours while it's in the smoker. Alright, so we're back. It's been about 3 hours or so. Just take the temperature. We're still a little low. We're only about at 110. We're looking for a target temperature of 140 to 145. One thing I forgot to mention earlier is I did pat the pork down really dry with the paper towels, and I am smoking it with applewood. So we'll check back in another hour and see how we're doing. Alright, so our pork butt has been in the smoker for about 4 hours. It looks beautiful. Look at this thing. So what we're going to do is cut the strings off real quick. Get these things off. Kind of want to get them off while it's a little warm, so they don't stick too much. That's that. So now we're going to slice. You know what? Let's slice it right down the middle. Have a look at it. Look at that. Isn't that a thing of beauty? That is going to be some amazing bacon. Kind of looks like ham, but I guess the curing salt did its job. 7 days looks good to me. So we'll cut a couple of slices off and put it on the grill. We'll see you then. Well, actually not in the grill, in a saute pan. Alright, so the pork butt bacon has been sliced. We got a nice cast iron pan heating up. Let's fry it up just like bacon. I gotta tell you though, the smell is fantastic. It's like bacon but bigger. So we'll let that go a few minutes. Nice, get it browned, nice and browned up, and we'll flip it, and we'll do the taste test. Oh yeah, look at that. Got some caramelized on top. Looking beautiful. I think this piece is just about done. That one's done. A little more. Oh yeah, it smells just like bacon. And we're done. Alright, so we're going to slice this thing up and see how it is. A nice fatty, well, they're all kind of fatty, but let's give it a shot. Oh yeah. By itself out of the smoker. It tasted like ham, just plain ham. Didn't taste quite salty like bacon, but now after you fry it, the outside is caramelized and it is fantastic. So, if you like bacon, you should try this recipe. Cheers.